This is the one that I wear regularly. I colored it jet black, Empress Curl Curly. Now the last time I popped this on, I cut it really short. So let's see. I'm gonna open up all the snaps, and it's still wet. Open up all the snaps. And put it in the back first. Just clip it. Clip it on this side. This side. Okay. And then in the front. All right. On there, really secure. Add some of my foam wrap. And I left my hair kind of damp on the sides because I always like to blend. Now, I will face frame me out, but I like to blend with the curls, okay? Yeah, I think I just want it all coming to the front. Oh, it's already cute.